So my neck, it kind of feels like I have like a lot of tension in it all the time because I do my homework and I'm normally like looking down and I know you're not supposed to be. I know.
Because you want everything in a 90-degree angle. So you want, 90 and 90, 90, hip sockets 90, and ankles 90. Everything is 90.
It's a lot of 90s.
Yep, all 90 degrees angles. What else?
So that's kind of it for my neck, and then my lower back feels really tense sometimes. Like I'll notice when I go to like sit up, it takes me a while to get there sometimes.
Because you're feeling it locked?
Yeah.
Or do you feel pain?
It just kind of feels like there's like tension, like something's pushing me down, like so it's harder to get up.
Tension where?
Like just like right here.
Okay.
And then like right here, it kind of feels like it's pulling a little bit.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then if you were to cross your leg, like that leg over that leg, does it make it worse?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then flip it. Make it a little better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is probably a pelvic misalignment. How long do you study? How many hours a day?
I would say probably like 2 to 3 hours a day, but like on my days off, it's normally around like 4 to 6.
It's a lot of time.
Yeah.
People don't realize that studying is so hard on your body.
Mm-hmm.
I usually tell people to set up different stations. How many hours are you standing?
Like 36 a week.
Let's do some tests though first.
Okay.
So just head back for me. Anything pinch in your low back?
No, not really. They just like the muscles just feel tight.
Okay. Same thing.
No, but like it just kind of felt like it popped, like it like pops in and out when it goes sometimes.
Pops, clicks here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're okay.
Bend your knee. Bend. There we go. Any pain?
No, but like I feel it like pressing.
And then how if I turn it?
No.
It popped there.
Yeah.
Does that normally happen though for you?
Yeah.
No pain in the low back though?
No.
How about here?
No, not really.
Okay. Ooh, neat. Before we do anything with the neck, I'm going to just rotate your hip. I'm going to rotate it like that. Nope, we're going to put your neck this way. We're going to make this foot go out like that. Any strain though?
No.
No, okay. Ooh, right atlas. There's that bumpity bump right there. Feel that? Is that sore? Oh, you all right?
Mm-hmm.
Which side of your shoulders hurts worse?
Normally my right side.
Okay, here's a little test. Do you pop your own neck?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Did you pop it before you came in here?
Not today.
Not today. Okay. You left one for me?
Yeah, I did it a lot yesterday though.
Oh,
I'm
warming
sorry.
it up for me. Yeah, it just feels a little bit hypermobile in some segments. And when something is that hypermobile, you kind of go, It's probably because you manipulate it yourself. Usually people can go one way really easily because a certain segment is just really moving. Do you feel it high up in your neck or lower?
Yeah, I feel it more so when it's like towards the base of my skull.
Oh, is that what you get? Right there is the spot right here. C2, C3. Let's go down the neck again. I'm going to put you up like that. Yep, there we go. see what's on the left. Very good. All right, here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the adjustment. Correct this left side first. I gotta get low. There we go, right here. Right here. Okay, so it's gonna go on that side. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, here's the other side. See, this is the side you get.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, and it's wobbling through, so I've got to go and lock it like that. Very good. Breathe. Doing good. So you're feeling tension on the right hand side,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to pop it.
Yeah.
You gotta let us do that. Because all I did was set up and it popped.
Mm-hmm.
Just like my shoulder just did. I just set up and I'm like, ooh, somebody's been here. Was it you? There we go. How was it? Were you okay?
It was good, yeah.
Okay, see this that happens? Well, this is called it's a flush that happens right after the adjustment. This is the flush that we get, is the response down the neck, and most of it is over here on the right. She's really fair, so you can see it easily. But nice and loose. No problem here. Good. That's weird. Ooh, some of them are really super mobile. Sorry, I'm pinching you. There it is. A little tiny one, but I knew it was there. Good. Ooh. Very good. I'm making sure I got it all. Scoot yourself over this way. Bend your knee. This one always felt a little locked. Nope, it's fine. Knee. This is how I get the hip sockets. I have a feeling this one isn't going to go and this one is. Yep, locked on that side. Feel that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it went on here. Very common. This happens all the time. This right here is a problem, so we bend the knee again and we check. There we go, good. Here's your knee. Take this on your here. Reach here. I'm just telling you where I'm placing my hands. Okay. I get in your face, sorry.
You're okay.
There we go. A little bit on the side. Very good. And good. That'll prep it on your side facing that way. Nothing in the IT band though. Nothing. And you're saying you have pain down.
Mm-hmm.
Drop your knee, let your knee go. Does that hurt when I do that?
No.
It is tight though. This is supposed to go to lower down.
Mm-hmm.
I can't really take you back this way.
Yeah, no.
That kind of
feels
hurts.
weird.
Yeah, your IT band is contracted, but you have no knots here. It's all here. But you're saying, that this is hurting you, and when you cross your leg, it feels worse. When I asked you when you're sitting, but does this make it feel worse?
No.
Not this. Okay. This side might be making up for the lack of mobility on the other side. I'm not sure yet. Right into the TFL. Other side. Okay. Let's test it out. See what we find. Nothing here. Does it tickle?
A little bit, but it's not bad.
Maybe here. The superior aspect of the hip socket. This is the one that didn't move when I adjusted it. I tried to get this to pop and it wouldn't go. Let's try the ID. Nothing there either. Okay, now let's test this side out and see if it does the same thing. So this side, her knee can touch the ground. That's a big part of what's going on with your low back.
Okay.
But on you, oh no, now you can do it.
Okay.
Okay. I fixed you.
Instant results.
I'm serious. I don't think so. Something else is going on. All right, on your stomach. Wow. So we got T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it kind of stops here. So where's the compensation? You okay with the green roller?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to hold the sacrum down. Raise this leg up as high as you can. And down. And then the other leg. Okay, down. I don't think there's a difference of 6 inches, but definitely way more range of motion on this side. Stabilize the low back. Any pain when I do that?
No.
Raise this leg up as high as you can. Good. And down. And this leg. And down. That was pretty much the same. What do we got here? Ooh, what do we, it's like finding stuff. It's like, ooh, what's coming next? Okay, we got a left short, goes long, posterior PI ilium, that's what this means. Yeah, you can see there's less motion over here, way more motion over here, except for your ID band, which we suddenly miraculously fixed. Right there. Okay. Green roller. Okay, I have to make sure to breathe. You have to make sure to breathe.
Okay.
Ticklish.
Yeah, like the middle of it.
Right here.
A little bit lower.
Right here.
Yeah.
Does that hurt or does it tickle?
Tickles.
Okay, the tickling is the predecessor to pain. It comes right before we get to a pain level. Same nociceptors, same pain receptors. How about here?
It doesn't tickle.
Doesn't tickle, okay. Deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Now I'm going to have to be on this side. All the way up. Perfect. And again. Oh, we get stuck here. Deep breath in for me. All the way out. It's right in between your shoulder blades. Breathe. Yeah, right here, huh? That's probably the worst of it. I feel these rib heads are separated here. That's from studying. You know, the arms will protract the shoulders when the rib cage flares. Why is the mid-back important? Because it directly influences the low back. You have a nice curve in your low back though. For somebody that sits a lot, you actually have an accentuated curve down here. Like a sway in your low back. big lump right here. I don't know if you could show that. So what corrected this was just taking her leg and moving it out like that, her foot out. That corrected the low back here. And now I can get in there and work a little deeper on these joints. Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. Maybe not.
No, I'm fine. You were pressing and I was like, I don't know if I can talk.
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
You don't want me to back off? Am I okay?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, because I'm on top of the table here. Both feet have left the ground. Okay, so this is quite a lot of force here. Man, girls are tough. All right, let me give that a break. Breathe. You're doing great. You kind of understand why you might be sore tomorrow?
Yeah.
This is the part that seems to linger a little longer on soreness. Like these heal pretty quickly afterwards, but this one, it takes a good week to recover from it. Okay, going down the leg. See, there's that back part again. Ooh. It needs the adjustment. Do you pop these?
No, I can't really get them.
I was gonna say, they don't feel like you do. Here's the SI joint. This is irritated like heck. So I'm gonna stop there. You don't know until you start working on it. This is wobbling around. Are your hands okay like that?
Yeah.
If you want to move them back, you can. They might be more comfortable like that. There you go. This is what's giving you a lot of neck pain right here. Breathe, short sips of air. Ooh, very good. Next one. Other side. Ah, here it is. That's funny. It's over there. Here's the lateral curve, where it sticks out over the side, brings the left high the shoulder up high. That's this here. You have two ribs on this side that have broken the pressure and have come up. You're gonna have a video documenting it, so you'll understand. Okay, there's one. A little bit of scar tissue right there. Sorry. Your spine curves a little bit there. There we go. Excellent. Not even flinching. Do you feel it at all?
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about like diabetes or something here. No, just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You're just tough. Okay, yeah, this is the worst of it right here. Come on down. Here we go. Breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one up and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see what that did. There it is. There's the rib. These are the floating ribs, though, or the false ribs. So you might feel a little bit more pressure on the front of you when I do these. Oh, see, I'm getting down into it. You hear that crunchy? That's the scar tissue right there. Okay, that's not the bone. That's a piece of adhesion there. A piece of scar tissue. Yeah, right there. Ouch. I'm sorry. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Press. Last one, and then we get to do the scraping. All right, let's break that down. This isn't the scraper, this is the red star. These get the more superficial layers. With my elbow, that was going in deep. These tools get the top centimeter, 2 centimeters worth of tissue. Oh, maybe I missed one. Lower the shoulder down for me. Yeah, there you go. How does that feel?
Good.
Okay. Does it hurt?
No.
Ooh. Well, your wish was granted. Here it comes. That was like one of her first things that she said, I want that. A little lower on this side. No. You're really bruising up here. I'm gonna have to stop a little bit on that spot anyway, because it's as red as my toenail polish.
It's exciting.
It's bright red. Okay, we gotta stop. Oh, this isn't a rhomboid. Gotta go this way with it. Well, traps do go this way too. But no, it's not at an angle. It's like straight across. So that's literally the muscle that moves your shoulder, your scapula, your shoulder blade around. Ooh. Now what's this? So this is all on the surface. When I'm pressing, I'm going really deep, and I can't really feel these with my fingertips, and then I go over it with the blade with a straight edge, and you start feeling all kinds of stuff on the surface. Finishing up here with the upper back, then we're going to go to the lower back. Nothing in the inferior spinatus or the scapular muscles here, nothing. Now where is that piece over here? There it is. That's a tricky one. I'm going to have to smooth out. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here it comes. I knew it was there. There it is. You survived.
Please.
You want a picture? You want a souvenir?
Yeah.
You want to get her phone? Yeah. There you go. Here, you want to show it to her?
Oh.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
That's a lot. Scoot yourself towards me a little bit. Yep. Head back for me. Okay, good. Other side. This side is rocked backwards. Okay, it rocks backwards and kind of pushes the hip out to the side. So I gotta go the other way. The easiest way to say it is I gotta go the other way. Okay, so I'm gonna take you really back and grab this shoulder. Yep. Ta-da! Here we go. Doing this one again. Chin back for me. Good. Perfect. That's it. That's what I wanted. You understand now it moves like it should?
Yeah.
Before I was hitting the wall of fluid, like a bag of fluid. What I now want to do is take you back this way. And your head will go back with it. So like that. Does that feel okay for me to do that?
Yeah.
All right, because you're kind of collapsing your stomach like this. I need you to open up the chest here. That's part of the reason why you're having so much strain on your shoulders and feeling tension here.
Okay.
Is that they're coming forward and puts a lot of strain. Right? It's easier to carry weight here or out here. It's much harder, right? It's much harder for your poor back to carry this with your shoulders like this.
Yeah.
So it starts aching back here because it's having to hold on to the, So bring them back. And I know we don't like to do that as girls, especially myself, but like to do that is kind of like, what the heck are you doing, But so if you don't want to do that, we do exercises.
Okay.
And that's what I'm going to show you right now. All right, we're done. Unless you want anything else. You're good? Okay.